Hello everyone! In this video tutorial we will work with image animation section. As you can see, we have 4 steps: create layer, create animated layer, transform tool if we need to make any change with our animated layers, and button done when we will finished all layers and we satisfy our animation. We need to click the last button. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I have my example image with waterfall, and we will animate our waterfall. And before we start, we need to be sure that we have a default layer with name background with log. Some images which you will open, you can view this case that we don't have log and have the name layer with 0. How we can reset this layer, our main image, to default layer of Photoshop? Just go to Working Tools bar and click Setup button. Okay, our image is ready for work. Let's see, it's too much resolution for my example. I need to reduce this resolution for better performance of my Photoshop and playing on my timeline panel. Let it be 1000 on width. Okay. Go to image animation section and let's start. First step is about creating area that we want to animate. After that, click soft brush on the Working Tools bar and draw the area. Okay, after that go to the second step, create animated layers. Okay, we need to set the end point. When you finish, click enter on your keyboard. Okay, we can use, of course, scale or transform tools as you wish. In this case, I want to use only scaling. For example, let's 110%. Okay, after that we need to set the start point. When you finish, click enter on your keyboard, and of course we need a little bit scale down our layer. Okay, our animation is ready. You can use these results, but for creating another layers we need to click this button. Okay, I like these results. Go to the next step. I don't use the transform tool because I don't need to do any change for my animation layers. I can skip this step and go to the last step. Click this button. Okay, this step finalizing your animation. Okay, you can animate next element on your image. Let's see where. Okay, set the time in 0 frame and again click this button, select the soft brush and draw the second area where you want to see the animation. Okay, maybe this. Okay, I'm making this animation very quickly. I know that you will work more accurate and correctly with masking, and of course it will be more realistic and more quality results. Okay, I'm done and go to the second step. Okay, in this case I will be use placing and scaling. Let's a little bit scaling first and a little bit down. Okay, and scale down and a little bit place the top. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, our animation is ready. Let's see what we ignore this notification. Okay, cool. I don't need to do any change, and again I'm skipping the third step. For example, let's click this. Okay, you edit a start point and edit the end point. Okay, I don't need to change. And of course click the last step, and we will get final animation for our image. Okay, cool. Let's play. And of course, as you can see, I have a little bit area outside from my waterfall. You can use to layer, mask and draw the area where you won't hide the animation. And here maybe. Okay, and let's animate a final part. Here a water-like fork. For this, set the time in 0 frame, and again create a part of area of our animation. Cool. Let's animate. In this case, I want to use only scale. And scale down. Okay, let's animate. Okay, I need to place the foreground, my animation. As you can see, I have a little glitch. Don't worry about that. Just find this frame and stop and click your mouse button. Oops. to Photoshop need to rewrite a cache. It's fixed very easy. Just create a new layer and after delete. That's all. Okay, I like these results. Let's create a file animation. Let's play. Okay, this is our final animation of the waterfall. I like it, and of course you can place your layers, foreground or background. You can use the mask, for example. Maybe I create here a mask and a little bit, draw here and here. It's very cool to use the basic tools of the Photoshop to create a very cool result. Maybe here. Cool. It's our final result. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be very helpful for you to create animated elements on your images or photos. On the next video we will work with layer animation section. I think it will be very easy to understand because some moments are similar from image animation section. Okay, goodbye and enjoy.